Haha. Look what we have here. Oh man guys, what is going on today? D Creator here, back with another video. Look what we got. We got new exhaust for my 2015 Ford F-150. I want to go ahead and say thank you to Pypes Performance Exhaust for sending me this out. I'm really excited, so I want to go ahead and open it. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing. We gotta do the unboxing in the kitchen because it's dark outside. Let's see what Pypes has for us. This is a pretty decent sized banner right here. Look how big this banner is. Yeah, this banner is huge. I think I know where we can put it at. And look at that right there. You can't tell me that's not a good looking sight. We're back into the unboxing because I'm pretty sure there's a lot more other stuff that we need to look at. Pypes also sent out a shirt. It's a pretty nice shirt. It's also pretty funny. I was hoping they was giving me this shirt when I saw it on the website. We also got some stickers. These are special, so I'm gonna set this off to the side. We're gonna open that last. This is not a full exhaust system like long tubes or anything like that. This is a Catback exhaust. Stainless steel, really nice. I believe this pipe is for the exhaust tips. We did get a side exit exhaust. Okay, this is actually cool. They have this on their muffler box, but this is the Street Pro, this is the Violators, and this is the Race Pro. This is what we got. So if you want to pause the video and just kind of read over that, that's the difference between the three. This is well packaged. I really like this. They do take pride in their work. Woo! Look at that. Like I said, stainless steel. Got a mirror finish to it. This looks amazing. Pypes. Race Pro. So we did get the racing exhaust. And the exhaust, it's well, it's pretty straight through. Yoo-hoo! In this box, it got damaged from shipping. I'm pretty sure this is the hardware. Yep, exactly what it is. Exhaust hangers and the couplers, the clamps. Comes with all the hardware you need. Now, time for my favorite part, the tips. This actually say 2015 Mustang 3-inch tips. You know, I never did a unboxing exhaust video. This is my first time actually unboxing any exhaust for any one of my vehicles. Oh yes, this looks good. It already looks really good. Look at that. Stainless steel Pypes 3-inch exhaust tips. Look at that. I love how it's angled and it got that double wall material. Stainless steel, nice and shiny. The welds on it looks really good as well. Let's go ahead and open up the second one. Look at that. That's just nice. Actually, you know what? Look at that. Imagine that sticking out the side of your truck. Question is, should I keep it like this, like straight on, or should I angle it? I don't know, we're gonna have to put it on the truck and see. That's a good question. If you guys are not familiar with Pypes exhaust, they make exhaust for almost all types of vehicles. They even make exhaust for big rigs, like 18-wheelers. They also sell hangers, downpipes, exhaust tips, X-pipes, cats, systems, collector reducers, and electric cutouts. They are a well-known brand, and I can't thank them enough for sending me out this exhaust, sending me out the stickers, the t-shirt, and the banner. If you guys looking for exhaust for your vehicle, go ahead and check out Pypes exhaust, okay? You see the quality, it is nice. If you use the code word creators, you get free shipping, and it also helps me out with the channel. Now the hardest thing about this video is we gotta wait to install it. Click on this video right here to watch it. If it's not there yet, bear with me, I'm getting it done. But I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.